Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see a review of Magic Handwash. So today I have Magic powder to liquid hand wash with me. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get all notifications from us. So without wasting any time, let's start. This is product of Godrej. The name of this hand wash is Magic Powder to Liquid Hand Wash. This hand wash is meant for tough on germs and gentle on hands. It has neem and aloe vera in it. You will also able to see picture of one bottle, and in that bottle there is water, and someone is putting this powder in that bottle. So they have mentioned powder to liquid and wash. On the front side of packaging they have given the cost of the product, that is 15 rupees, and according to them it lasts up to 30 days. So this is the front side of the packaging. Now we will see what they have given on the red side of packaging. Again, on the red side of the packaging they have given the name of the product, Magic Powder to Liquid Hand Wash. Refill pack. This product is manufactured by Godrej Consumer Products Limited. They have given the address of the company. They have given that it's marketed by or registered address or consumer feedback. Manager, Consumer Relation, Godrej Consumer Products Limited, Godrej 1, Vikhroli East, Mumbai, India. They have even mentioned their email ID. They say that product is also available with bottle of rupees 35. Net content of this product is 9 gram, and you have to use before 24 months from the date of packaging. Note that guys, pack once open you should consume fully. So if you decided that half of the product you are going to use for the particular period of time and the remaining thing you are going to use next time, it is going to spoil the product. They have given one cute symbol. One leaf is there and inside that heart is there, which indicate that clean, green and happy. According to them, for better results, use after 1 to 2 hours of shaking the hand wash. Last up to 30 days, 3 hand washes per day. They have given little bit information about the product. This isn't just a hand wash. It's magic in a bottle with the power of neem and aloe vera. It protects your hands from germs and leaves your skin feeling soft. So add, pour, shake and wash to stay protected. How it works. Over here you will able to see that they have given instructions, and by following those instructions you can prepare this liquid hand wash at home. First you have to take one bottle. I am going to read the steps for you. Step 1. Add 200 ml potable water till the given mark. So there will be one mark on that bottle. If you are using this bottle, then there will be one mark. Step 2. Pour the magic formula. Step 3. Shake the mixture immediately. Now, where to purchase this product? You can purchase this product at medical store or general store, which is available nearby to your house. And if you don't have bottle which they have shown over here, Then you can take normal bottle, just pour half of the water in that and just add this Magic Hand Wash in that. Guys, now let's unbox this product. This is how hand wash pouch look like. You will able to see that they have given the same instructions on the pouch itself. Now let's see what they have given on other side. They have given the same information. For best result, use after 1 to 2 hours of shaking the hand wash. They have mentioned manufacturer's name over here. Note that guys, we have to use this full pouch. So now I am going to show you how to make this hand wash. Here I have bottle of magic powder to liquid hand wash. Now I am going to open this and I am going to show how I am doing this. You will notice that they have given 200 ml. So till this 200 ml, I am going to pour water. There was little hand wash inside this bottle. Guys, that's why you are able to see these bubbles. Now let me put this pouch in this bottle. Note that guys, the plastic which they have used for this pouch is very strong. So you won't be able to open it with normal hands. That's why you have to use scissors. Now I am going to empty the whole packet inside. You have to empty it very slowly. You will notice that I have emptied the whole pouch. Now I am going to put this lid. And now I am going to shake this bottle. You will see that color of water has already changed. This hand wash is ready to use. You can use this hand wash for a month. Now let me tell you why you can use this hand wash. This hand wash is very cheap and you will able to get this hand wash at medical store as well as in supermarket which is nearby to you. This pouch is very easy to carry. Put it in your pocket or even in your purse. Don't worry, if you don't have this bottle, then you can use normal water bottle to make this hand wash. That's all in this video guys. If you like this video, hit to press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do let us know your views in the comment section below. Thank you.